Hi everyone, hope all doing well. Choosing right materials, designs, right persons to concern about you values you have put through your dream home design. Everyone wants a beautifully functional dream home design. By keeping in mind of low budget, good quality product, selection of right materials, space organization prior to constructions, and reducing significant time in all design process. If you are one who is looking for a professional engineers who can design your home, guide you through process, who provides you glazing, windows, doors, shop drawings, production drawings, who can give engineer advice to choose right materials based on your location, then you have come to the right place. We also provide design solutions for many aluminum glazing facade manufacturing industries, materials suppliers industries, and architect. We provide you full service design solution. We have brochure which you can have a look. For any queries and additional information, please write to us with this mail ID, 1302facade@gmail.com. We are delighted to provide you the best service you are looking for. Contact us for your dream home designs. 2D floor plan with dimension to 3D sections, elevations, full view, and house tour which enable you to have clear visualization of space. You can dream, we design. We are here to transfer the vision you have for your home into a reality. You can take a tour inside the house and see the details that are going to be built and applied for the house. It is also easy to see which part that may need a correction. Homes are built once in a lifetime. Homes are revolutionizing the construction industry by making home builds faster, cheaper, and more sustainable with our help in creating designs. Prior designs has many advantages that are generate less waste as we come to know only the required amount of material to build structures. We can see the realistic version of the house we are building. Reduce construction time. Accurate and comprehensive floor plans and clear visualization of space. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. Please contact us if you need your dream home designs.